Hello guys, welcome to another video. This is Birb Coding video here, and in today's video we're gonna learn about table. So table is basically serving data in a tabular format. We use tables and we just simply write them out with a table tag. Alright, and it's just uses table tag and table headers, table rows to categorize and serve data in a clean format. So let's go ahead. First of all, we open a table with the table tag, and then we need to do a table header. The table header will be those main component in the first row. So first of all, we need to open a table row within which we are going to write the table headers. So here we have a table row. Now we're going to open a table header. Let's see if I still remember the shortcut. If I want like 3 times, I think this is a hack. I learned like a shortcut. Yeah, th multiply 3. Here we have. Now I'm just gonna fill it up. When should we have the header? So how about favorite car, favorite suite, perhaps? Yeah, we can have favorite suite. And we can have favorite. What? How about favorite animal? Okay, there we go. Now we save it. Voila, we have here in front of us three headers in a table, right? And let's go forward. Now we're gonna be opening up another table row, and below the first row, we are opening it, so it means it's going to be in the second row. So now we will be adding table data, which is labeled by TD. So first of all, I would say my favorite car is Rolls Royce. And second, I would say favorite sweet would be cookies. Who doesn't love cookies? Uh, Third would be Monty Python. Not because I'm a programmer, pun intended. But yeah, alright. Now we save this, and then we'll be able to see how it looks like. There we go. So because each data is in the first, I mean it's going in the order specified. So first header, first column, second header, second column, third header, third column. Yeah, so similarly. Now let's add another row, and let's edit out the content. Now we're going to be adding Bugatti. You know what colors your Bugatti brings to your mind? All right, so second would be dates. Third would be what would be Eagle, I guess. Yep. With that done, now you can see it's all classified. But for a better visual perspective, right? How can we improve this? I think I would go ahead with adding some sort of styling. So into my table, I will just write an inline style of 100%. I mean, width property, yeah, width property colon 100%, and save it. Okay. And next would be a border. I want to add like a border. I guess 1 pixel would be enough. Black color solid, right? So we specify with 1 pixel solid and a black. Save it. Bam. Now you'll learn more about CSS if I make a video on it, but for now just inline styling certain stuff. So I want to add border to specific headers as well, right? So I'm just going to write border. Now you may ask, this perhaps take too long doing one by one like this, right? Well, there's like a shortcut we can find out. So what we're going to do is press Alt, hold Alt and press on each opening tag, okay, inside Visual Studio Code. So within the first table row, then the remaining two table headers, and the second table row, and the table datas, and the third table row, table data, then press spacebar, paste, voila. There you go, you have a neat looking table with borders around it. And now I want my data to be centered. How can I do that? I'll just apply another style, and this style would be text align center. So let's go text align center, and that's it. Save it, and there we go. We've got our text in the middle aligned, and there is our table all good to go. Fun fact, guys, my wireless microphone my wireless microphone's battery died, so now I'm just recording a voiceover on top of the recorded video. When I was exporting the video, I found out that there is no audio in this video clip, and it hit me. My battery died, so I would just quickly charged a bit. The bad thing about my wireless microphone, which is a K9, it doesn't have like any indication that it's fully charged or how much battery is remaining. Or perhaps I can add that on my wish list to buy in future. So what subject should we touch next, guys? Tables are done. How about we touch ordered list and unordered list? You know, I think that's like a good topic to touch. Once again, you guys can go to the W3 Schools website to learn more about tables. Okay, there's more stuff like styling call grip, row spans, call span, and all that. Anyways, for the unordered list, we just are going to start on that. I just want to add like a separation between the contents. I'm adding horizontal rule and a line break and another header. I'll write it. Unordered list. There we go. And beneath this, I'll start an unordered list tag by writing UL. Within the unordered list, we'll use li tag to list the list items. All right. So what should be the list of? So I can say unordered list of subjects, right? So now I want to specify 4 list items. Li times 4. Bam. I have 4 different LIs. List item test. First, I would say maths. Second would be engineering maths. Third, I would go with, I guess, physics. And lastly, biology. But these are in a no order, and I just love them like equally, these subjects. So there we have our first unordered list. And now I will work on ordered list. And how do we do that? We just gonna change the UL to OL, and that represents ordered list. And now all the items inside the ordered list are going to be numbered, and I just need to change the order of the items. So first come first serve. First is the first, second, and so on. So firstly physics, followed by maths, followed by engineering maths, and followed by biology lastly. There we go. uh, Alright, now moving forward, we have unordered list and ordered list done. And next would be, I guess, uh, description list. How about that? Yeah, description list. We can touch that subject. So how do we write a description list? We just use the D. Um, there's like a DL tag which represent description list tag, and It's just a list of terms with a description of each type of each term. So we use DL tag to define the description list, and within it, we're going to use the DT tag, which represent description like term. The and then we're going to use description uh, DD tag to describe each term, right? Oh, if that's too much to like take, just watch on the video. It's easier to understand like that. So within the DL tag, I open up like a DT tag. I'm just gonna write the description term chocolate cake, and for that, the description, right? So I'm just gonna do it like after the term. I'm just gonna open up a DD tag and write within it the description for the term. So chocolate cake. What can I write about it? I would say something like a rich chocolate cake, like rich chocolate flavored cake with chocolate chips. Damn, I'm craving chocolate cake at this moment. Alright, so we have our first description term with a description for the term. Now, next, let's make another term. I would say an ergonomic chair for people who are sitting for prolonged hours, especially coders or IT people who just have a desk job. This is really important. So the description is a chair that looks out for your back. All right, that's that. We have that covered, right? So we have gotten table covered. We've got an unordered list covered. We have description list covered. So yeah, that's about it. Pretty much the gist, right? And what else should I touch on? I guess you guys will need to learn about, like, I guess divs, right? So divs are basically containers, and you'll be using those a lot in your projects. So divs are like tags that wrap around, and you can think of them as containers, and you can contain content within your divs, right? So like let's say I want to just contain something. Well, before that, I just want to show you something called like block level content and inline content. So here, see, you have hi and hello, and both of these are displaying one or the other. So these are known as block level tags content. And you can look up the list of block level elements on the W3 Schools website. It's free. And now let's say if I wanted hi and hello to be side by side, right? Could I do that? I guess for that we need to use an inline tag span, right? Let's see what happens. Because it's in block level, of course it's the inline tag is gonna go on another line. So to get around this, how about we just write it within the block level content tag, element tag, right? Now you see that within it, we open a inline tag within the block level. Bam. But what happens if we just change that to like a block level tag? It's going to still format it as a block level, and it's going to put it out below it. So you just wanted to change the text to paragraph, so there's like some sort of distinction. Paragraph. There we go. So change it to inline, and there we go. We have that within the same line. And usually these tags take uh, width as much necessarily required. They don't take more than needed. Now back to the containers div. So I'll just wrap the ordered list with a div container, right? That's it, simple. And now I want to apply a style to this container, and it will only affect the content within it. So just a background color of aquamarine. Here you see it's only affecting the content within it, right? But what if I wanted to align the text within this container to be in the center? So I can just write text align center, and there we go. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, these numbers are provided by the list items on side order list. They are not like content, they're just there, but the actual content is the list items like physics, maths, engineering, maths, biology. So they were centered, right? And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in another video. Bye bye.